forgive me, never meant wrong. Tried to be patient
right here.
and waited too long, but I would've came back.
Look.
But I would've came back. Would've came back. Would've came back.
Yeah, I would've came back, but I couldn't get away. I was stuck in the house when you was stuck in your place. I said, dang, what I'm gonna do today? I'm taking notes up on my iPhone right today. I'm looking at you from the side of the screen. I'm like, baby girl, can you see me? You in the hospital, you all just alone. I'm sitting right next to you while I'm on my phone. So I'm on the phone, I'm texting everybody saying she can be okay, but I think I'm really saying it. I'm really on this good shit, really on that good weed. Call me what you wanna be, don't call me fake believe. I'm in the game, I do my thing. I never knew that money could just change really everything. I got the Drake album, yeah, it said take care. Top the Drizzy Drake on this, take care. Paris more music, yeah, this is something real. This the realest thing I ever wrote. I put it right into music, so chill. I'm gonna let you really know how I get down. F money on a flow, so here I go. I dance cause you know I dance, and I rap clean. I rap super clean cause my rhymes are super team. It's super tight, man, and that's just my words believe. I go to speech to get my words free. Here I be. Rest in peace to Martin Luther King Jr. all day like Martin Luther King. I have a dream and it's coming today. Make my way, make my paper, get that all today. Making this dream come true. Mystery into making okay. Yeah. And I think I'm just stop it. They say I should quit rap, man. I'm playing. I told you I was coming back, but just save it. You cussing at me like you fighting, but you ain't it. I'm saying how could it be when I'm in the zone, getting all this money and you know it's really getting on. I told you I was coming back, but you didn't hear. This F money, I'm the realest person on this cheer. I'm on the realest person on the team. Can you see?
I just needed time to do what I had to do. Caught in your life, I can't let it go. Whether that's right, I won't let it go. Hope you will forgive me. Never meant to try to be patient. I'm waiting too long, but I really came back. But I would've came back. Would've came back. Would've came back.
Thank you. This is Floyd Davis. That's my name on Facebook, Twitter. Thank y'all for hearing this and follow me on YouTube, Twitter, and stuff. Subscribe to me. Thank y'all. Please subscribe. It's the boy F Money. I'm out of here. That's where I get it from too.